Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a URL redirect in Shopify. Before we start, it's worth noting that URL redirects are crucial for maintaining SEO rankings. If you change URLs without setting up redirects, visitors could land on broken pages, and search engines might lower your page rankings. This is an essential skill to make sure your visitors always land on the right page, even if you've changed your site's URL structure. So whether you're relaunching your store or just cleaning up links, this step-by-step guide has you covered. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and find the section called Online Store. Click it to expand the options, then select Navigation. The Navigation section controls the links and pathways throughout your store, and it's also where you'll manage redirects. A well-organized navigation and redirect strategy ensures a smooth user experience and helps retain your customers. Now click on URL redirects. If you've set up redirects before, you'll see them listed here. To create a new one, click on Create URL Redirect. Here you'll see two fields, Redirect From and Redirect To. Pro tip, always double-check your URLs for typos, and try to use descriptive paths that are easy to remember. In the Redirect From field, enter the old URL path that you want to redirect visitors away from. For example, if your old page was Contacts, you would type that here. In the Redirect To field, enter the new URL path where you want visitors to go. For example, if your new page is Contact, type that here. Using clear, consistent URL structures makes future maintenance easier and helps with search engine optimization. It's very important to enter these paths correctly because even a small typo can lead to broken links. Once you've double-checked everything, click Save Redirect. You can also test the redirect by entering the old URL in your browser to ensure it automatically takes you to the new page. And that's it! You've successfully created a URL redirect in Shopify. This small but powerful feature ensures a smooth visitor experience and helps keep your traffic flowing even if your site structure changes. If you have more pages to redirect, just repeat the same process. Remember, keeping your redirects organized and updated is a key part of maintaining a professional and user-friendly online store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks. I post weekly tutorials covering store optimization, SEO types, and essential Shopify features to help you grow your business.